Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 CLA 250 4MATIC. This one's Jupiter red. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter inline 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 221 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. We've got front and rear LED daytime running lights, 18-inch 5-spoke alloys. Tires are in good condition. A black MB-Tex interior, panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our CLA 250 4MATIC badging, a set of all-season floor mats and regular floor mats. This one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, an LED projected logo when you open the door, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our new touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance. Also with the Premium 1 package, you're going to get dual 10.25 high resolution screens for your instrument cluster and your media display. Also new is touchscreen for our media display. This one also does come with a push start ignition. New to Mercedes-Benz is our MBUX. You can give it voice commands by saying, "Hey my Mercedes. Hey my Mercedes.
How may I help you?
Change ambient light to green."
Okay, I'm changing the color.
And as simple as that, you're able to give it voice commands. And as you can tell, this one does come with 64 color ambient color lightings, dual climate controls, USB port, cup holders, a touchpad for our command center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This CLA has 3,304 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the CLA, check out feldmanimports.com.